Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to copy an account link on the Instagram app using your PC with the latest update. If you've been trying to share someone's profile or save a direct link, this guide will make it clear and easy to follow. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have full access to search and browse profiles. Once you're inside the app, head to the search bar and type in the username of the account you want to copy the link from. After that, click on the account to open it. When you're on the profile page, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen. There, you'll see 3 small dots, which is the options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This brings up a menu with several choices for how you want to interact with or share the account. From this menu, select the option labeled Share To. This is where Instagram gives you several quick ways to share the profile, either with friends or to other apps. Now, within that same section, you'll see the choice that says Copy Link. Click on Copy Link, and instantly the profile's unique web address will be copied to your clipboard. At this point, you've successfully copied the Instagram account link. You can paste it anywhere you need in a message, an email, or even in your browser if you want to revisit that account quickly. This feature is especially useful if you want to recommend an account to a friend, save links for your own content, or even share a creator's page on another platform. With the newest update, Instagram has made it straightforward so that PC users can do it just as easily as those on mobile. That's all it takes. Just open the Instagram app, select the account, hit the 3 dots, choose Share To, and then copy the link. Simple, quick, and done in just a few clicks. Now you know exactly how to copy an account link on the Instagram app using your PC.